Okay, I am doing a little bit different thing here on today's video because I am on the road and sitting in a hotel after having photographed a school for the past 6 hours, and I'm going to be doing this for the next 2 days too. So no fancy logo here. This is being brought to you by freechartvideos.com, and I want you to go by and visit the website and look around. The website is totally free, and I depend upon your traffic and your interest in the sponsors who advertise on the site right now to keep it going. So go take a look at the website if you like what I do here online. And if you're seeing this on the website, thank you for coming here first. There's more on the website than what I just put on YouTube, so you need to go take a look. Today's video and for the next couple of days is going to be in a smaller resolution. I hope that works for you. As always, this is just my opinion. You need to use your own head on your own shoulders for your own investment decisions. We're looking at the S&P. This is the channel that we had established some weeks back. Actually, probably by the time we got about here, we could see that this was a channel. We made one alteration about 2 weeks ago to the bottom line that has worked extremely well. And today we got a nice little bounce, not a huge bounce, but a very good sign as far as what I can tell in stopping the sell-off. And I'll tell you why it happened. I've got a video that you'll want to go see at freechartvideos.com that is on the first page, and it examines the financial indexes, the RIFIN, the Russell Financial Index, as well as IYF. And I believe if you look at that and also real estate, you'll see a lot of the bounce that we got today was due to the expected bounce in RIFIN. And look at yesterday's video. The chart really called for that to happen. Maybe, and matter of fact, it said, I think the chart said there could be a little bit more down pressure, but then it was going to turn up. And that's exactly what happened today. So the charts are working. So anyway, our channel is good. Let's examine a little bit closer what was going on today. All right, here's the past 6 days of trading. This was our big breakout last week. Run up to almost 1227. Upper resistance now at this level. This was setting up to be, at first I thought, a triangle of the symmetrical type, but when we failed to get out over this line, I adjusted this now to take into consideration that this is going to be our resistance at the top of this pattern. This pattern did break down yesterday and again early this morning, and it has fully satisfied the expected move from the height of this pattern, which I will show you. I mean, it actually surpassed it a little bit. That's fine. That's typical. And well, this is what I'm looking to see tomorrow. This line was broken. That used to be support. Now, granted, it wasn't real strong support because it was only tested. I don't even know if I'd call this a test here. It was tested here. It was tested there where it failed. So what we need to do is we need to see, will prices to break back over this line? So I expect us to have resistance tomorrow. If there's an up day, I would expect resistance to be encountered around 1221. Maybe 1222, a little higher, but watch this line. If that breaks, then we can start seeing if 1227 is going to face another challenge. So the S&P 500 did just fine today. I'm actually quite pleased with it. Remember, we have 2 levels of support that are still below us, other than this red line that's kind of the mid-channel line that generally has been what's a good way to put this is that when prices have been getting in the middle of the channel, there's been a little tug-of-war going back and forth. Sometimes they stay above it, sometimes they pull below it. Generally, if they pull below it, they're going to go down and back and test this line. When they pull above it, they go up and they test this line. Are we going to test this line again? It's quite possible. I have no way of telling you for sure. All I know is that the prices were held at about 1204, 1205, actually a little higher than what I thought they might find support. But again, you have to look at some of these other indexes to see where support might have been encountered in those. So I believe that the banks and real estate are likely to be the two primary driving forces over the next few weeks, because they were the laggards, while small caps and some other sectors had been gaining ground. The banks and real estate had been lagging. They broke out with this move right here. The banks and real estate broke out, stayed up here for a while, then they pulled back. I believe they're ready to now kick in. So this has been an S&P 500 chart update brought to you by freechartvideos.com. Please stop by the website, support us with your presence there, and remember, it's a 100% sponsor-based website at this time. And hey, if you're feeling real generous, there's a donate button, but hey, you're not hearing me hold my breath. Take care. Hope the markets do you some good tomorrow. I'm going to be taking pictures of a school, and we'll have another late update, sort of like this one, tomorrow night. Good trading.